Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're going to keep working on demonstrating the new features included in Studio One version 5.1. On previous tutorials, we showed you that this new update from Studio One gives you the possibility to search for songs and projects and shows from the list of songs, projects, and shows that you typically see when you open the program. Well, this idea of being able to search has also been applied inside the program. So now you can use a search bar in order to filter your tracks and channels so that you only see those. So check this out. Here we have a Studio One song that has several tracks: drums, violin, soprano, 2 guitars, a bass, and a vocals folder that has 1, 2, 3, 4 vocal tracks. So back in the day, if I wanted to, let's say I wanted to see only the bass track, I had to go and open my track list and then hide all the other tracks, and that way I would only see my bass track. Well, now you have a track filter option here from your track list at the bottom, in which you can basically use it as a search bar. So you basically click on it and then type bass, let it load, and what this does is that automatically it is going to show you only whatever is related to this word. In this case, BASS, so bass, right? We can also do that and demonstrate typing vocal and check what happens. It's going to try to find for, it's going to look for anything that has, this word within its title. So in this case, the actual folder, it's vocals, and then it has vocal 1, vocal 2, 3, and then lead vocal inside. So it's going to show you only those. So it's a pretty smart algorithm to search for it. As soon as you press on that X there, it goes back to the way it was, so it'll show you all of them. When you're editing, this is really useful because you only focus on what's right in front of you. You don't look at other things, and it pretty much helps you focus and not get distracted by other tracks. Now, this is also available here in your console, so you can see only the channels that you're interested. So if you type, let's say, let's do guitar, I'm only going to see the 2 guitar channels that I have. Once again, guitar 1 and guitar 2, you can see those. The others you can't because they're grayed out. Now if you click on this X or you simply delete that, boom, it goes back to the way it was. I hope this tutorial was helpful, guys. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA and pcaudiolabs, and we're going to be happy to help you. We'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Want to learn how to produce music using this, or using that, or using all of these? Have you been watching videos, reading manuals, blogs, and trying to figure out everything that it takes to be a music producer? Do you have a bunch of music gear that you purchased and you still haven't made any music? Well, then you need OBEDIA, the world's only one-on-one digital audio training and tech support service. Check out the link below for a special new subscriber offer.